Hello students, our today's topic is very important in exam point of view and also for understanding the concept, that is field lines of magnetic field. So here one of the question is there, why magnetic field lines never intersect? I have told you in my previous video that the magnetic field lines never get intersected with each other, and why it is so, that is what if asked in exam, how we are going to prove it, and it should be known fact to you. So I am trying to explain you, and if any doubt is there, you can ask me later. Just try to understand the concept what I am trying to explain you. I have here the question is that why magnetic field lines never intersect. So I made one magnet here. This is a bar magnet, north pole, south pole. We have understood that the magnetic field lines start from the north pole and enters again into the magnet from south pole. Inside the magnet, its direction is from south to north. That is what we have already studied in our previous videos. So the question is, why magnetic field line never intersect? Means I have drawn one magnetic field line like this. I am drawing another magnetic field line this, another magnetic field like this, but these are not intersecting with each other. These are all parallel with each other, not intersecting. Why it is so? If one more magnet is there, here it is north pole or south pole, whatever it may be. This is south pole, this is north pole. And in that case, one magnetic field line will also be like this. One more is also be like this. Okay. So while drawing this, you may find that I have intersected the magnetic field line of this magnet and magnetic field line of this magnet. But the fact is that it never get intersected for one magnet, two magnet, और how में मतलब जितने भी मैग्नेट हमारे पास में रहे, वो कितने भी मैग्नेट रहो, किसी भी केस में ये एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होगा. सिंगल मैग्नेट रहा तब भी आपको पैरेलल मिलेगा. अनदर मैग्नेट मैंने वहां पे कनेक्ट कर दिया तो उस केस में भी उसकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन पहले वाले के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन के साथ कट नहीं करेगी. व्हाई इट इज सो, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस लेक्चर. सपोज दैट एट दिस पॉइंट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस आर इंटरसेक्टिंग. we have seen the proof of various theorems by contradictory way, in which the thing which we have to prove we assume exactly opposite to that, है ना? That is what we are going to do here also. If I assume that at this point the magnetic field lines of two different magnets are getting intersected at the same point, then in that case you have to just remember some of the things. मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको कुछ बताया था कि जैसे इस पॉइंट का अगर मुझे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन का डायरेक्शन निकालना है तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, आई पुट अ मैग्नेटिक नीडल हियर एंड इट विल गोइंग टू शो मी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन. If I have put the magnetic needle here, it will show me the direction like this, and by this way only I have drawn these magnetic field lines. Yes. Then in that case, if I put a magnetic needle at exactly at the same point, this point, if I put a magnetic needle, then which direction it will going to show me? Means at this position, one magnetic field line direction is like this and one magnetic field line direction is like this. The needle, which direction the needle will show? तो इस केस में नीडल के पास कोई भी डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा बताने के लिए, क्योंकि एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन कुछ इस तरह से आ रहा है और दूसरे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन कुछ इस तरह से आ रहा है. मतलब दोनों भी एक जगह पे आपको इंटरसेक्ट होते हुए दिख रहे हैं, जो कि कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता. कभी भी आपकी मैग्नेटिक नीडल एक ही डायरेक्शन दिखाएगी ना, क्योंकि आपकी मैग्नेटिक नीडल जो होती है वो एक ही होती है, तो वो ऐसे भी डायरेक्शन दिखाए ऐसे भी डायरेक्शन दिखाए, ये तो हो नहीं सकता. तो उस केस में उसको सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन दिखाना होगा, और उसी लिए हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस नेवर गेट इंटरसेक्ट विद ईच अदर, बिकॉज इफ इट इज सो देन द मैग्नेटिक नीडल शुड शो टू डायरेक्शन, which is not possible at all, and that is why we can say that magnetic field lines never get intersect at any point. If there is one magnet, two magnet, or any number of magnet is there, it is not possible at all, and that is what I have to explain in this video. I hope you have understood the concept. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Thank you.